Okay, I'm gonna start a Christmas ornament one now. Bodies, cutter base, create copy. Okay. Starter sketch. Get rid of the cutter ideas. And move that like to the top if I can. I can't because okay. This one I'm just gonna freehand. I'm not gonna just do a circle because I could just do a circle. There, that's a Christmas ornament. There, now it's got the... Anyways. I'm gonna make one of those ones with the pointy bottoms. Alright. And then... a line here and a line here. Let's see, can I make an arc? Can I do something? Can I make this one and this one? I can, okay. Cool, cool. Bring this outward. Bring this upward. Okay. And then mirror that. What in the world is this? What in the world is this here thing? Holy smokes. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but assumedly I should be able to just... Okay. Now if I put another one, a box rather, here. No, I'll put this kind of box so that I get... That's the hook, you know, where the hook goes. Whoops, too far. And then I put another arc like that, and then I put the same constraint on it. And then I trim it. Yeah, that I like that. I like that. Mirror that and trim it up. And then just because okay. That would be the actual hook piece going around it, and I don't like that, so I'm just going to go ahead and pretend that that doesn't exist. But I don't like how this... So instead I'm just going to go ahead and put a straight line on it. Okay. That actually does look good. And trim that while I'm at. Okay. Whatever. And then that would be a bit of a... Oh, I know what the problem is. It's because it doesn't have that. The actual hook part. See, now it looks like a Christmas ornament. That needs to be subtle. And this needs to come down a bit. Okay. And then minus cutter depth. Cutter thickness, sorry. Oh, nope. Cutter thickness. Hang on a second. Something happened a long time ago that I did not notice. There, okay. Weird. So I'll start with this again. Put a teeny tiny rectangle on this. And a circle on that. Alright, and then now I can trim it. Okay, now I can offset. Oh. Why can't I select more than one thing at a time? Hang on. Let me bring back the grid. Maybe snapping. Chain selection. Outside. Cutter thickness. Minus cutter thickness. Cutter thickness. Cutter thickness. Cutter thickness. And then extend these two sides. And then this is going to be a tiny hole of about 3 millimeters. Alright. And then actually now what is that? Make that too. I don't know what happened there, but it appears to have worked. Now I wonder if I can put a design in it. Okay. Extrude all of this by cutter height. Go back into the sketch and see if I want to put, like, I don't know. Maybe that might look nice. See, now the thing wants to... Why? Move it. There. Let me put both of these on the center. There. And then if I, like, pattern it. $35 millimeters? Okay. Alright. And then bring the sketch back. Rename the sketch to ornament cutter. And then you know what? That should not be 2. 2 is too small. Four is too big. Three is good. Alright. And then if I extrude, if I make these, distance of cutter height minus detail depth. There. I don't remember if I said this, but I changed the detail depth from 0.8 to from 0.8 millimeters to 2 millimeters. Because that just will... 0.8 is too close to the end here and might make it weak enough that it could cut the cookie into multiple pieces. This is enough to just leave an indentation in the cookie. So, this, however, I want it to be the same height because it's going to cut out a whole hole in the cookie and make the cookie able to be used as a Christmas ornament if desired. So now I'm going to make a sketch on the back end here, project all of this. Okay. Wall thickness. Minus wall thickness. 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 I shouldn't have done that. The reason being, I want to round off these edges real quick. And I missed one. Yeah, one's good. Okay, now I can make that sketch. Okay. Now offset it by wall thickness again. Negative this time, apparently. I have to go check on a pizza. The pizza is good. Wall thickness. And wall thickness. What is the difference here? 0.2. I'm going to go back into this sketch. 3.2. Alright. So now, there we go. That is perfect. So now I should be able to go ahead and Okay. Now I'll go back in here. Gonna go ahead and attach this at this point and attach this at approximately the same point. Not really approximately the same point at all, actually. And yeah, that'll be good. Gotta make sure everything is attached to everything, or else when I print it, it'll be multiple pieces, and that's just not gonna work. Alright. And then edit this extrusion to now also involve edit the sketch because I missed a spot. Now edit the extrusion. There. And then make a sketch here. Put a text box there. 5-point font. Ornament. I'm going to make sure I'm spelling ornament correctly. Yeah, okay, I am. Extrude this by -1 and rename the sketch. This one is ornament base, ornament label. This one is the Santa base. And this one is the Santa label. I really hope that this doesn't become a problem. I mean, I intend to spray the cookie cutters when I use them with a nonstick spray anyways, because that just is a pretty good way to keep them from sticking to the cookies. So it shouldn't be a problem. But just in case... Nope, wrong sketch. This sketch. 3-point arc slot. How about that? Wait, hang on. Center point arc slot. Okay. So if I dimension this with a radius of wall thickness divided by 2, what does that give me? Okay. I'm gonna make these collinear and horizontal. Then in this, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. There, now I'll have just the smallest possible hole to use to poke through if this wants to stick. Alright, and there is my Christmas ornament, so I will go ahead and rename it to ornament cutter. And then what is this body? I have a bunch of different bodies that are all separate, but the ornament cutter itself is all there. Okay. All right.